Hey everybody, it's Vitali here at Red Barn Productions, and I'm back. If you've seen my latest video, you know that the long-awaited update for the X32 console is out. Firmware 4.0 works on the all the X32 line, be it rack mount, 32 core, and all that. That's a different video. It's already up. However, if you've done that update, you're probably going to want to update X32 Edit, and I'm going to show you where to get the latest version and how to install it. And I'm going to copy this link and share it in the video description below. It's over in the app section for X32, and depending on what version you're running is what you can download. Now, right this minute, version 4.0 is only available for Mac and PC. I'm running a PC, so we're going to click the download button, and I'm going to save it in my downloads. We're going to come over here, click extract. It's extracted. We're going to open it. We're going to click connect. And because I just did a firmware update on the X32, and I've already got basic configuration going, I'm going to do mixture to PC. In my case, I'm just going to pin it to the taskbar. You can actually copy the icon over, drag the icon over to your desktop, and there you go. That's how easy it is to download and install X32 Edit 4.0. In my next video, I'm going to discuss what I wished I had seen in update 4.0. We didn't get it, but I wished we had, and maybe Behringer will watch the video and make it happen in the next update. This is my Tally here at Red Barn Productions, and y'all have an awesome day. I'm out of here.